Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Down at the Unit. So today I'm going to show you how I installed my battery relocation kit. If you're installing this to your car, it might be different way you route it, but ultimately it's the same principle. The parts that it came with required me to crimp the ends, and with the ends that came with the kit, I didn't have anything that was strong enough to be able to crimp it. So what I've had to do is I had to buy a hydraulic crimping tool. This is a beast. Apparently it's got like 4 ton of crimping strength. So look at that, genuine Chinese hydraulic crimping tool. Gotta love China, haven't you? Cheap. So comes with all the attachments that I need. So let's get into it. How do you know which one it is? See on the top of these, you can see there's a little number right at the top of the crimp. So 35. So that means there is a 35 piece on the hydraulic crimping tool. So I guess that tells you the size. I didn't even know that, but I looked at it and thought, those numbers must correspond, and by sure they definitely do. As you can see, boom. Nice and crimped. I've left my heat gun at home, so I have to improvise with a lighter. It'll do the job. This will become the little junction box that this will sit in. Found the perfect place to mount it. The battery box is just going to sit here. All we need to do is close. You just need to find a route for the cable now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this power cable to the boot. Yeah, moment of truth, now it's all together. I'm not going to start it, I'm just going to turn it so it gets power. I know I need some spaces to get the mounts on properly. Ooh, bleepy bleep, good noise. Yeah. So the battery relocation is successful. So all I need to do now is get some spaces. So as you can see, doesn't quite fit, so I need to get the little adjusters. So my earthworks. So I've earthed it there, and obviously that comes up. The cable runs from there. There's an inline fuse that I've put in. 200 milliamp fuse. So there's no excuse for it to blow. As you can see, that's the terminal box that I've done. Cable goes into the car, and obviously the terminals come up there. I left the diagnostic port there because why not? So yeah, got the battery adapters, so I just need to fit them onto it. So it should just be a case of easy as that. £2.67 from Euro Car Parts. Can't complain. Look at that, like a glove. So yeah, I'm going to leave this episode there, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. I'm posting more of everything I'm doing at the unit on Instagram. Got some dirt on my face. Need to have a shower. Don't have to get minging working on Starlets, do you? Yeah. So I'll see you in the next episode, guys. Take it easy. Until next time. Keep boosting.